outside. It is so hot. Yeah, room is all messy right now. It's almost packed. Sriram's helmet is here, mine is there. GoPro setup is done. Nice room actually. By the time we reach, it will be, I think, by evening with all the breaks and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in GoPro view. Bye. So we are exiting Rameshwaram towards Bangalore. This is day 3. Took everything now. Where your shades? Sriram is all loaded. Mine is all done. We lifted our chains in the morning. Tank bag is all set. I'm not wearing any gloves as of now because we'll be stopping at Pamban bridge for some pictures and we'll leave. My range shows 400 kilometers. Bye, sir. From here, Bangalore is around 600 kilometers. We'll be going via Madurai and we'll be connecting the same NH44. It is 9:48 in the morning. Temperatures are superb. I mean to say, temperature is too hot. Coastals, no, humidity will be there. Yesterday we got lucky in Kanyakumari where there was not even a single glimpse of sun coming out. Oh, this is the tower I was speaking about. Finally we tend to see it in full glory. We came here yesterday. I was so curious about this one. I thought this is some memorial or something like that. Then Sriram said, no bro, it is some TV, some tower it seems. Something to do with broadcasting. Nice temple area. Hope it doesn't rain today. God, no. So we are passing through Pamban village and the bridge which comes after the village is called Pamban bridge, if I'm not wrong, because I saw the board there which said Pamban. So I think this is the place called Pamban, and yes, I can see the bridge already. So that bridge is Pamban bridge. Bus drivers are gone crazy. Yes, sea bridge, go slow, speed limit is 30 kilometers it seems. Yes, this is the starting of the bridge. Oh god. Nice. Yesterday we came in night now, so we couldn't see anything actually. This is huge, dude. You can see the railway track there. You can see the construction happening. Speed limit is 30, so we'll do 30. So they are upgrading the railway track, etc. This side is again coastal, some backwater stuff, and all 360 view I'm seeing is all sea water. Nice. Let us take some pictures and leave. That area is too crowded. I'll show in my mobile view. Oh god, this is massive, man. You can see the track here, guys. See? Where is it? This is the track. I don't know if we have one more track like this in India, but trust me, this is very good. You see this bridge, right? So this opens up, I guess, and a lot of construction is happening, man. They're upgrading, I guess. I see one more line here. I'm not sure what line is that. Construction is going on. I think they are building a new bridge there. So this is the old line. Now train doesn't come this side, it stops there only in the previous station. Oh, the bridge is shaking. What is this side? Woo! Nice here. This side is more bluish than that side. See, that side, I think the contrast is more, yeah. We have wide lens, bro. Okay, the Pamban chapter is over. We'll continue. We have long distances to cover. But seeing Pamban Bridge was there in my checklist from long time. That is done now. Only misses Dhanushkodi in our trip. A big miss, very very big. We understand due to COVID and all. Fine, next time we can make it. I had a lot of expectations on Dhanushkodi here by seeing the images, and I had seen a couple of vloggers and all. Okay, let's hit it. Bangalore. See the crowd here, man. See the crowd. Plus, there are boards telling that you should not park. See, no parking, and we can see full-fledged house full parking here. I think a cop sits here to maintain all these things. But nice experience. Not able to leave this place here, seriously. Plus we are a bit high from the sea level, no? There is this cool breeze which is there, and it feels so good in this hot summer. Let's not disturb other traffic. Bye bye bridge, tata, see you again soon. Nice beach area here. Water is very clean. Good. Okay, Rameshwaram chapter is done. Let's continue. This is a railway track here. We did around 42 kilometers from our hotel. Okay, we have to take a right here. Paramakudi 45, Madurai 121, Kochi 395, Devi Pattanam. Okay, Madurai is 121 kilometers. Due to all this heat and all, right, from yesterday night, I'm having this headache, mild headache. Only at the back of the neck area, neck part. I don't know if it is because of helmet or crosswinds, but now I am fine. Sriram was telling that is something to do with dehydration. Purathur is the place name. We have to be slow in these places. Straight Kochi, Chennai straight to Tikkorin. Okay. So this is outskirts of Madurai bypass. Let's fuel up a bit. I still have 160 range. Sriram is filling up. I thought I'll also do it. Make sure he fills the right amount. 800. Every time you're doing 800. No? 102. Okay, here it is less. Rameshwaram it was 103.
No, in some places before Rameshwaram we filled one place. No? 102 again.
102 again. In Kanyakumari also it was 103. Sir, full tank on Bangalore. First signal after 3 days. So kid on this bike to my left is sleeping on the tank itself, petrol tank. It is dangerous, man. I don't know. 12 o'clock, around 1:30 we'll stop for lunch. Okay, sir. Lunch done right in Tamilnadu style. Hotel Aravai Anandas Veg, pure veg, AC. This is for the record, okay? Ignore. Now we have to deal with crosswinds, huh? Oh god. Time is... What's the time? I didn't give update also, it rained. Time is 2:30 and we have done 300 kilometers, dot 301. More 300 to go to Bangalore. Now we are in Dindukkal. Now we are again back in Topur Kanavai. Problem here is with lorries, the trucks. Since it is steep, right, in this part, so they tend to go slow and you can't judge that how fast they are going. So you might see now these two lorries are going, right? We'll think they are going fast and we'll also maintain that speed. But then, no, they'll be going slow. So you have to be very careful. See this turn. Krishnagiri, okay. Hosur is 119. Krishnagiri is around 70 kilometers. We'll take a break there. Monkeys.